Hi, I want to talk to you guys today about one of the biggest, toughest muscles that give a lot of people low back pain. And it's kind of maybe the missing link of how we can actually help with stopping the chronic low back pain. And we're going to introduce you to a new type of roller called the Rollga roller with these indents in it. But the bottom line why this is so awesome versus the traditional foam roller for this hip flexor is where the musculature attaches to and from. So the lumbar spine, the green area, has muscles that attach from it that run down into the pelvis, into the inside of this pelvis, and attach to the inside of the upper leg bone, the thigh bone. Its job is to do flexion and extension. So I know you've probably all seen when you reach behind and lunge and do the stretches, that's good, but it's these deep trigger points that we can't access with the traditional foam roller because it's just too steep to get into the area. Into the Rollga roller, because of the grooves, they can actually get over top of the prominence at the pelvis to be able to get in to actually allow, so you're on your belly like so, and you're actually rolling over top of this. So I'm going to show you a video following with that, but that's one of the keystone areas where Rollga roller rocks so much better than a traditional foam roller. Secondly, for the hip area where the glutes are coming in from the pelvis to the attachment to the hip bone, once again, you can actually get right into the groove and you can work on glute muscles and around that hip area better than any other roller that I know of. So those are the two most primary big purpose that I use for helping that. How you can kind of tell whether you have really super tight hip flexors other than maybe low back pain is if you're bending down, touching your toes, and anywhere along that flexion motion, if you feel your body or the deep inside your pelvis doing this little quiver like a little jackhammer, that's a true sign that your hip flexor muscle is super, super tight. So that's the way you tell. And what I've seen is that people who do the work, that ratchet motion and the low back pain will dissipate on both accords to that. So follow the next video to watch actually the demonstration of how to do the basic Rollga roller for the hip flexor.